It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you, but I'm damn back. Blew right through the alert, and now what we doing is waiting on confirmation because it's past it's blew through the 200 on the 5 minute. So looks like for these next few candles, we're gonna be looking at puts. So still are teetering and tottering on the 5 minute, right at the 200 moving average. Honestly, if we break below this 200 moving average, I'll probably take the next candle and check out what it's doing. I mean, it's breaking right through these support levels I had put out. It done broke through all 3 of them, and it's headed down to the last support level I mapped out, and it just broke that one too. That's a big sign for me that this could be a bearish day, and that's probably the direction we're gonna go. Let's check it out. It just broke, so that's enough confirmation for me. We're gonna go in and enter a trade. As you know, I like to go in a couple dollars in the money. So we are 740. Currently, we are in profit. We are gonna let this ride, and we'll be back once we start adjusting that stop loss. All right, I think it's about time for us to start adjusting that stop loss. We're gonna go ahead and start doing that right now. Right now, all we're doing is adjusting the stop loss, letting the runners run. As far as trading is concerned, ended up with profit. 597 was today's profit and loss. Wow, awesome day.